These are beluga whales. These white whales are one of the smallest cetacean species. These marshmallows can reach lengths of 10 to 17 feet and weigh as much as 2,000 to 3,500 pounds. Just like the narwhals, they'll also feed on cod, but they'll also feed on other animals such as krill and crustaceans. And just to let y'all know, these are considered quote-unquote whales, but narwhals and belugas are actually related to porpoises and dolphins, okay? I'm brand new to this too, but hey, we all learning, right?